Hello everyone. Let's have a quick look at the Visual Studio Code recently released features. So the very first feature here is that we can resize multiple views at the same time by dragging using the corners. So if I'm dragging it from here, I can resize all the three views at the same time. So this is a very good feature, I believe. And second thing is the terminal accessibility. So terminal accessibility means you can go to run a view command, and here if you will say show terminal, you can click on this accessibility help. So in accessibility help, it will read out the text for you. So this is for accessibility purpose, but it's again a very wonderful feature. So you can definitely check this out. Another thing is the profile customization. So whenever you are clicking on this settings, you can see that earlier only one profile was there, and now you have privilege to create your own profile. You can delete your profile, you can export and import your profiles. So this is the default profile. And right now if I will switch on to my test profile, so you can see that in my test profile I have a different theme altogether. So you can change theme, you can install, uninstall extension, you can do whatever you want, and then definitely you can go ahead and export that. So let me move back to my default theme. Okay, apart from this, there are two more themes which are added over here. So I will quickly go to command, and then I would say color theme, and here you can see the light v2 experimental. So this is the one theme which got added, and another one is the dark v2 experimental. So let's go to that. So this is the another theme which got added with this release. And apart from all these things, there is one important thing which you may find very useful, is the search functionality. So in search, if I'm searching for a word input, you can see that let it search. So many things are coming up. Let's give it a few seconds. So you can see that these many texts are appearing over here. Now if I'm going and selecting for, let's say, SSE client, we can see that some other kind of results are coming here. Now in this particular release, what we can do is we have a privilege to use arrow keys to move up and down and navigate between our history. So rather than typing it again and again, we can just say up and down, and it will show us all the details which we searched earlier. So these are the main features which were released, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching.